Mga kabakal, magayat tayo ng labong. So galing dun sa lupain ko doon sa bundok. Gagayat ako para maipalambot mamaya doon sa ating kalan. Tagal lang maggayat to, pero tiyaga lang para may pagkain. Dalawa pa, tagal lang kasi maggayat nito eh. Pwede tatlong pamilya mag-uulam yan. Hirap palambutin. Sana lang. We are not going to wash this anymore because this is clean. I wash it before I slice this one. Ito mga kabakal, preheat natin itong ating waste oil stove. Let's preheat this waste oil stove because we are going to boil here our bamboo shoot, the sliced bamboo shoot. It's already open. It's closed, and I'll just get some crude oil for our preheating. We will put crude oil to the chamber. Just a little bit. Let's light it up with this paper. So this one is very lighted up. Later, if this have enough heat, we will open our blower. We will boil here our sliced bamboo shoot. With this speed, not so fast because it will be overflowing on our chamber. And now we would put our casserole. One. So that's the performance. It's blue flame performance. Then we will pour in our bamboo shoot. Okay. Now we are going to add some. We'll now add some water. That one. Some more. We'll just put it. We'll reach with in one more. Okay, so it will be easily boiled. Not so much water. Put the cover. So that's the performance of our waste oil stove. Even it is so small, it performs so well. Okay, so the time now is 3:26 p.m. We started at 3:26 p.m. Now this one we will check if this is enough for this one to be boil to become softened. Okay, that is about 300 ml of used motor oil. If it will not be enough, we will add some more. Okay, that's the performance. Performs so well. So that is the performance of our waste oil stove. So it performs very well. And we will also check if our power bank will last until this bamboo shoot will be totally boiled to make it soften. Okay, now we will cut our meat, which we will add to our adobo bamboo shoot. Okay, done. So the time now is 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. We will check our bamboo shoot. It's already boiling. Let's mix. Oh, smells so good. So this is plenty. Okay, the power of our power bank is at 75%. This is a 2.85 amperes 12 volts blower. Okay, still performs so good. Okay, let's check our bamboo shoot. It's already 4:43 p.m. so this is boiled enough. This one. So this is already ready. So let us drain this one. And our waste oil stove still stable condition, stable performance. So we consume about 200 ml. So we will make this slower supply. So we will continue to use this when we will cook our adobo bamboo shoot. Okay, now this is our drained bamboo shoot, boiled bamboo shoot. Okay.